What's up, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and we're here today with Marty dropping gears, the twin turbo V6, and watch my Eco. Everybody's here, so we're gonna see, since he fixed his wastegate issue from his Chinese wastegates.
Yep, that was provided with the kit. Yep.
Since those got fixed and replaced with actual tile wastegates, the car's been making and holding boost. So what are we on? We're on 12 PSI roughly?
A little over 12 and a half.
Spraying methanol and on the 85. So we're gonna run the car. She should do pretty well considering we made, last time you were here we made 486 on 7 pounds.
Yeah.
So we have 5 more PSI on the car and the same amount of timing. And it's liking it. So we'll see what she runs. We're gonna do a new log and everything on it, and not even fingers crossed. I know it's gonna do well and it's gonna make a ton of power. So my bet, I bet it makes 625 wheel horse.
I don't know about, he's more optimistic than me. I'm gonna say 570-ish wheel.
570. What do you guys think it's gonna make? 12. 575. All right, so they all say like 570. I'm saying 625. The secret is I tuned it. I know what it's running. So it's gonna make some good power. If it doesn't make over 600, I'm gonna be severely disappointed, and then we're gonna turn it up until it makes 600, because that's gonna happen today. So let's do it. So that was pretty sick. This is on the easy tune still. This is not on a send it tune whatsoever. Yeah, first run it was only on wastegate, made like 6 pounds, hit 437, 439, and I was like, yo, something's wrong. We did not hit enough boost. So Marty fixed his boost controller.
Yeah.
He fixed it, and yeah. Then we made 608 horsepower, 562 foot-pounds of torque, 8% load on standard, so that it can compare with all the other stuff that we do here.
I'm really impressed. I didn't think it was gonna make that much. God, I'm really happy with that. And it's happy. The engine's happy.
Oh, it's way happy. Yeah. It's perfectly fine. I mean, yeah, it comes in.
Where'd it go?
Comes in good.
Yeah.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, we could definitely smooth a couple things out in it. But I mean, as we hit 6,000, these engines just die because they do not flow well, because you don't even have ported intakes on it.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, you have ported intakes on it. So they don't have, you know, their cams and the headwork really doesn't allow, and the intake design itself doesn't allow for much flow over 6,000. So when you're in the higher boost ranges, you do start coming down still pretty hard. Now we can still play with timing and boost and fuel up in these areas and change it up, but Marty's loving it.
I'm happy with
that. The car rips. It is fast, guys. I mean, it's fast, it sounds great, and it'll make, you know, somewhere between like 575 and 625 on pretty much every dyno you're gonna put it on. And again, this, Marty drove an hour and a half here.
Yeah, it's an hour and a half. It's hot.
Hour and a half here, guys, and we threw it on the dyno and ran it. hot pull immediately after the other one. So it's making some good power. Up to you. Are we turning it up or are we leaving it there?
I'm good there. If you want to clean up the tune, that's up to you. But
So
I'm good there.
it's good there. We're gonna leave it right there, right before 6,000 RPM. That's a 4th gear pull as well. So she's doing good.
Yeah.
It's fast. No wonder you're beating a lot of stuff.
Yes, I am.
So pretty easy, pretty simple video, guys. It made power, 2 runs. So all we were doing is checking it out, but there you go. 608, 562, twin turbo kit, S550, Mafia tuned.
Yes.
Hey, I'm gone. Work on my battery.
What happened?
Every time I come here, I bring them different because I'm always be changing the fucking colors. And I said, I want a banner. I had a banner on it before until the damn windshield broke.
Your push to start button's up there now?
Yeah, it moved everything. Dude, he ran this with the AC on.
The blower turns off.
No, I don't care. I just find it. Did you plug it in?
I did.
You plugged it in?
It takes time
Yeah.
sometimes. No, because it's hotter than hell on that dyno. He's probably like, screw this.
I just find it funny he did that pull with the AC on.
The last time I rode in your car was when you had a Pro Charger on it.
Yeah. I think last time you rode this, it was at that S550 meet.
It was. And you're getting a little bit of a taste of what my car is going to be able to do.
Yeah, there you go. You're getting a taste, all right. There you go. Maybe I should turn on the air because it's hot.
It is.
I'll turn around until we get in the road.
.608's pretty impressive.
Yeah, that's pretty. I didn't think it was. I'll be honest with you.
I know, you were like, oh, probably 550.
Javi just said, set aside $500. I said, for what? Oh, new engine. I was like, if I gotta set aside $500 for a new engine, I'm just fine.
I mean,
that's barely getting on that.
oh god. This car makes almost 200 more than mine does.
You never had meth on your car, right?
No. I'm thinking about it now.
Everybody always say, oh, don't run meth with E85, you don't need it. Bullshit, you do need it. Especially if you want to.
It's more fuel and more cooling.
Yeah, more cooling. You can, you can see it. It starts going down as the pull goes.
The thing moves.
Ooh, some brakes.
like, share, and subscribe. We'll check you next time.